In this video, we will discuss about scintillation counter. Okay, what is scintillation counter? Scintillation counter is an instrument for detecting and measuring ionizing radiation. By using the excitation effect of the incident radiation on a scintillated material, detecting the resultant light pulse signals. Okay, if you see, there's a photocathode. Radiation falls, ionization chamber. Due to ionization chamber, there is a production of low energy photons. Once this low energy photon comes, they produces electrons, and these electrons are focused by different diodes, and these diodes will in turn amplify the produced primary electrons to so this primary electrons produces secondary electrons, and they become more and more as an avalanche of chain effects to produce more. So when they fall on the anode, they become more strong and produce, and once they fall on the anode, current is produced. It consists of scintillator, which generates photons in response to incident radiation. A sensitive photomultiplier tube which converts the light to an electrical signals and electronics to process the electrical signal. Scintillating consists of a transparent crystal, usually a phosphor, plastic, or organic liquid. When high energy atomic radiations or incident on the surface coated with some fluorescent material, then flash of lights are produced. These scintillations are detected with the help of photomultiplier tube that give rise to equivalent electric pulse. When an ionizing particle passes with scintillating material, atoms are ionized along a track. The photon from the scintillation strikes a photocathode and emits an electron, which is accelerated by the pulse and produces a voltage across an external resistor. The voltage is amplified and recorded by electronic counter. Scintillator is used to measure radiation in a variety of applications. They can be used as handheld radiation survey meters, personal environmental monitoring, radioactive contamination, medical imaging, radiometric assay, nuclear security, nuclear plant safety. Scintillation counter designed for freight terminals, border security ports, weighing bridge applications, scrap metal yards, and contamination of monitored nuclear waste. So all these are somewhat connected to biomedical, if you say. So because these radiations are very lethal for humans. So in order to make sure that radiations are kept at predefined levels or certified levels, these devices are used. There are variants of scintillating counters mounted on the pickup trucks, helicopters, rapid response in case of security situation due to dirty bombs or radioactive waste.